AAFirst are proud to introduce the SIPNeo3 overnight self-sanitizing system with sleep mode, which provides you with maximum hygiene and an opportunity to save money on electricity with sleep mode. Your SIPNeo3 will be delivered with everything you require for installation. Key components include the two grey SIP box units. The larger of the two boxes converts oxygen into ozone, and the smaller box pumps the ozone into the tank and water trail of the POU or bottled cooler. Also included with your SIP unit, you will find the dispensing stone, which disperses the tiny bubbles of ozone into the tank, plus a rigid plastic pipe, a flexible pipe, a non-return valve, a cable to connect the two SIP boxes, and a power cable to connect the unit to an external power source. SIPNeo3 easily fits inside our AAFirst floor standing coolers, as you can neatly fit your SIPNeo3 unit inside the body of the cooler. Alternatively, you can cable tie the units to the condenser on the back of the cooler. Now you can connect the ozone generator box to the pump unit using the cable provided. In order to prepare your water cooler tank, first remove the tank lid and baffle. Then you will need to cut the insulation foam to reveal the stainless steel tank before drilling or punching a 6 to 8 mm hole in the tank wall. You then reseal the tank insulation. You will need to push a hole through the insulation for the rigid pipe to go through. Pop the grommet provided in the kit into the hole, which will create a snug fit for the rigid plastic pipe, which will eventually be used. Cut your rigid plastic pipe to the length required so that the dispensing stone, which will eventually be fitted to the pipe, rests just above the base of the tank. Cut a short length of flexible plastic pipe to connect the T-shaped dispensing stone to the rigid pipe. Guide the rigid pipe through the hole in the stainless steel tank and tank's foam insulation. Cut another short length of flexible pipe and connect this to the end of the rigid pipe outside the tank and to the non-return valve. The valve is to prevent the siphoning of water into the pump unit. The direction of flow of the valve can be checked by blowing through it. In order to provide enough space for the rigid pipe inside the tank, you may need to cut into the plastic baffle. You can now reassemble the tank. The flexible pipe from the end of the non-return valve and water tank can now be fitted to the pump unit. The final step is to connect the SIP unit to the main supply using the power cables provided. On most AA water coolers, you can connect straight into the cooler's power supply. However, on other water coolers, you may have to find an alternative supply. SIPNeo3 guarantees maximum hygiene and with sleep mode saves electricity, a win for you and your customer. The sanitizing process takes just 10 minutes and the default factory setting is 3 AM in the morning. You can change the factory setting of SIP by using the programming buttons on the Ozone generator and following the SIPNeo3 installation instructions. It is now that you can activate sleep mode, again by using the programming buttons on the Ozone generator. For more information on SIPNeo3 or any of our other AAFirst products, call 01635 202 489 or visit our website at www.aafirst.co.uk.